Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Krebs cycle or the tricarboxylic acid cycle is a very crucial cycle in biochemistry. So let's have a quick overview of the cycle. First, acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate. They combine under the presence of the enzyme citrate synthase and form citrate. Citrate then gets converted into isocitrate, which then gets converted into alpha-ketoglutarate acid, which then converts to succinyl-CoA, which then converts to fumarate, which forms malate, and malate forms oxaloacetate. A hint to remember all the intermediates is citrate, which stands for citrate, is isocitrate, Krebs ketoglutarate, standing substrate succinyl-CoA for fumarate, making malate oxaloacetate. Citrate is Krebs standing substrate for making oxaloacetate. So that was a quick review. Now we all know TCA cycle is an amphibolic pathway, which means it is both catabolic and anabolic. Catabolic how? Because acetyl-CoA gets oxidized to form CO2, and it is anabolic because its various intermediates are used in making different compounds. For example, alpha KGa is used for the synthesis of GABA and glutamate neurotransmitters. Succinyl-CoA is used in the synthesis of hemoglobin. Oxaloacetate OAA is used in the process of gluconeogenesis, and citrate can be used for fatty acid synthesis, as a result of which these intermediates get used up, get depleted, and in order to replenish these compounds, various filling reactions take place, which are known as anaplerotic reactions. In this video, we will be looking at how amino acids enter the Krebs cycle and in which form. Such questions are also asked in various PG entrance examinations, and for that purpose, I've made some silly little tricks and hints that will hopefully help you remember. So let's begin. First, let's look at this section. Okay, so propenyl-CoA converts into succinyl-CoA, and succinyl-CoA is a intermediate of Krebs cycle. So how can we remember this? A hint that I've made is MTV is prop to success. MTV, we all know, is an entertainment channel, and it is a prop to success. For example, even Ayushmann Khurrana was first in MTV Roadies, and how he has become successful these days, no? So MTV is a prop to success, where M stands for methionine amino acid, T stands for threonine, I stands for isoleucine, and V stands for valine. Prop stands for propenyl-CoA, that's how we can remember. Success stands for succinyl-CoA. MTV is prop to success. Now coming on to the next hint, which is प्यारी सृष्टि का सर थोड़ा गीला है पानी से. अब ये क्या है? Here, these amino acids, which are cysteine, serine, threonine, glycine, hydroxyproline, get converted to pyruvate, and pyruvate enters the Krebs cycle by forming oxaloacetic acid here. So how can we remember these amino acids? Pyari stands for pyruvate, सृष्टि cysteine, कासर serine, थोड़ा थ्रियोनिन, गीला ग्लाइसिन, है पानी से. पानी मतलब हाइड्रोक्सी, तो इससे हाइड्रोक्सीप्रोलिन. And one more hint is कि tryptophan gets converted to alanine, alanine gets converted to pyruvate, and pyruvate then gets converted to oxaloacetate. तो इसको कैसे याद कर सकते हैं कि all try to be प्यारे. All stands for alanine, try tryptophan, to be प्यारे, प्यारे pyruvate. And for those who do not understand Hindi, I've also made an English hint, which goes like, privately Sir threw glycine and hydroxy in the cyst. Privately say pyruvate, Sir serine threw threonine glycine and hydroxyproline in the cysteine. So that's how we can remember what all amino acids enter the Krebs cycle by forming pyruvate, or in the form of pyruvate, which eventually gets converted into oxaloacetate. Okay, now coming on to the next hint. Ox and as are friends. Ox stands for oxaloacetic acid and as is hint for remembering aspartate. Where does this happen? Okay, let me show you the diagram again. Oxaloacetate is an intermediate in Krebs cycle. Aspartate or asparagine gets converted to aspartate, and then aspartate gets converted to oxaloacetate. So this is one hint. Now one remaining hint we have here. These amino acids, which we can see in the right bottom, get converted to glutamic acid, and glutamic acid can convert it into alpha ketoglutarate acid, which is an intermediate of Krebs cycle. So what are these amino acids? The hint is Hindustani alpha males are pro at arguing with glutes. We look at the image also. Hindustani stands for histidine, alpha males alpha ketoglutarate acid, which is the eventual intermediate which is formed from these amino acids, are pro stands for proline at arguing arginine with glutamate. Okay, so that is how we studied how different amino acids enter at various levels. And there's one more hint here. How tyrosine and phenylalanine get converted into fumarate. The hint is टायर पे फिनाइल डाली तो फ्यूम्स निकली. टायर से टायरोसिन, फिनाइल से फिनाइलैलेनिन, फ्यूम से फ्यूमरेट. It can be easily remembered with this pic. This was all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.